Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix login error, Microsoft Store login error 0x8007003B. Something went wrong on your Windows 11 and 10 system. This is Microsoft Store login related error. So launch your Google Chrome browser and here check your Microsoft server status first. So in search field type Microsoft Store server status and here open the first result, Microsoft service health status, and make sure that Microsoft Store or Microsoft various services is running properly. Here you will see service health status. Scroll down and you will find various type of Microsoft related services. It will show operational. If you find it any Microsoft related services is down, then wait till service operational. So check Microsoft service status first through your Google Chrome browser or any other preferred browser. And the next workaround is again launch Google Chrome browser. Here from the top right corner click on 3 vertical dot and here choose settings. Here from the left side go to reset settings, click on reset settings and reset your Google Chrome settings to its default. So set your browser as default settings. The next one is again open Google Chrome browser and here click on 3 vertical dot against top right corner and here choose go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and if you have added any extension to your browser simply disable it or remove it. All your extensions should be disabled for a while, and after that check whether your Microsoft Store Microsoft account login error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type ncpa.cpl. This command will open all your available network connections. Here go to your network connections, right click on it, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and choose properties. Here select Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4, select it and choose properties. Here make the check against option, use the following DNS server address and use Google DNS server address, and Google DNS server address should be 8888 and 8844 and click on OK. So try to use Google DNS server address. After that restart your system and check whether your Microsoft account login error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to a start button, click on it, click on your profile icon and sign out from your Microsoft account and wait 2 to 4 minutes, and after that again re-login with your Microsoft account. The next one is right click on start button and choose settings. Here go to network and internet from the left side, thereafter go to right side and here you will find advanced network settings. Click on it. Here scroll down and choose network reset and click on reset now. So reset your network connection. Sometimes network related issue may be a cause for some login error. The next one is again right click on start button, choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type WSREACT and click on OK. Clear your Microsoft Store caches. Click on OK. This command will clear all caches from your Microsoft Store. After that close the Microsoft Store windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type the command services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here services windows will now open. Here under available services, scroll down and look for the all Xbox game related services. Simply right click on it and choose start. If you found it already in a start mode, then restart it and set a startup type as automatic. Choose start and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Sometimes this login error affect your Xbox gaming account, so you must start or restart and set a startup type as automatic for all Xbox related services in your system. Thereafter, go to above and here you will find IP advisor. So here also set a startup type automatic and choose a start IP helper. Thereafter, don't forget to restart your system. Your problem should definitely be resolved. That's all.